Even with the rear seat in its full upright position, you can see that a Jeep JL Wrangler 4-door still has plenty of space in the rear cargo area, almost 32 cubic feet of it. But in order to use this space effectively, you do need to stack everything on top of each other, and that can kind of be a problem, especially if you need to get something on the bottom of it. Of course, what would really be helpful is if that space could be divided with something like a shelf. And that's why I'm going to be installing this today. This is a FABTECH all-steel heavy-duty cargo rack that's designed to sit behind the rear seat in the cargo area and offer 4.5 square feet of flat usable storage that sits 22 inches above the floor of your Jeep. As you can see here, the sides of the rack come with slots to make it easier for you to tie down all your gear, and it can hold 150 pounds of it and without any rattling. Now, the best part about this rack is that it's super easy to install using basic tools, and maybe most importantly, it's made in the USA. Now, to get this thing installed, I'm going to be applying this trim that's provided with the kit along the edges of the cargo rack. So I'm just going to split it open a little bit here, slide it on, just press it into place all the way down. So, cut it. Now we can start removing some bolts, and the first of which are going to be these two bolts securing the hardtop to the side of the Jeep. And for that, I'll be using a Torx T50 bit. And of course, the two on the other side will need to be removed as well. Alright, now it's time to start installing the side trays, but before I can do that, I'm going to need to lower the back seats. Alright, so verifying that we have the driver's side tray, which has the cutout for the roll bar right here, we're going to slip it in behind the seat belt and start tilting it in, and then we're going to loosely secure it in place with the factory bolts. All right, now we're going to do the passenger side. I'm going to work this in, tilt it in place. And finally, the main part of the rack. Just gonna set this down, make sure that the word FABTECH is pointing outward. And then I'm gonna grab some hardware here. So with a bolt and washer on it, I'm gonna stick it through this hole. Gonna hoist it up, slip it in, place another washer and nylock nut. And then I'm gonna repeat on the other side. All right. So now we're going to lift this up, slip that through, washer and nut. Okay, now to go on the inside. All right, so now we can rotate this up. I'm going to take bolt and slip it in. Washer. And we're going to repeat this on the other side. Alright, now using a 7/32 inch Allen bit or Allen wrench and a 9/16 inch wrench, I'm going to go ahead and secure these bolts in place. And now I need to set my torque wrench to 44 foot-pounds. Okay, that's one. And finally, I need to set my torque wrench to 27 foot-pounds of torque and tighten up the hardtop bolts. And that's all there is to it. Just like I said from the get-go, a super easy install and one that can be done with just a basic set of tools. Now, I do need to point out that this rack is made for a Jeep JL Wrangler 4-door and with a hardtop or no top. It cannot be used with a Sky One Touch power top, and while it can be used with a soft top, you do need to know that you won't be able to fully fold it down. Of course, if you have any questions, by all means, please ask away, as I'm always happy to answer them. And if you're not already a member, we would love for you to join us on our online community at wayalife.com. Until next time, keep the shiny side up, all four on the floor, and with any luck, we'll see you on the trail. Hey, Ripley. How about you get... Ripley, why didn't you get... No, you have to pay attention to me. Are you just gonna sit there singing all night? Hey, Ripley. Go. Go. Okay, here we go. Get. Ripley, get Martian. Oh, good, get your Martian. You're a good girl. You're a good girl, I know. You did good. Want to get another one? How about, go get your new beach ball. Go get beach ball. Oh, good, get your beach ball. Oh, yes, you're such a good girl. You did a good job.